Today we're heading out to take the dogs for a walk. And we're on Highway 24.
Yes, because they not walk.
Yeah, I haven't taken them for a walk for a while.
In 3/4 of a mile,
And that's where we're headed right now. Apparently it's about 22 minutes from our home, our motor home.
Look at Harry.
And we got our two dogs in the car. Okay, we've reached Homestead Ranch Regional Park. And it's our first time here. Looks pretty cool. I mean, it's pretty neat. It's beautiful. Yeah, our dogs are happy to when we go to new parks.
Oi.
Okay, we're here. Starting our hike. We might have to turn around. Look at that sky, man. It looks like it's going to start pouring pretty soon. What's that? Yeah, have rain soon. Yep. So here we go. Kind of a cool park. We got a little playground for kids.
I see the, how you call, lake? No.
Yeah, lake. Oh, lake.
Ready? Red hat. I think beautiful this area. I like more green.
Nice park, right?
Huh?
It's a nice park.
Yes.
Beautiful.
You don't need to walk when I walk. No, what is on it? Read what this is. Can no fishing? มาเร็วๆลูก come here.
So where are we heading, hon? It looks like we're going to get some rain.
Yes, already.
Oh yeah, I just felt a drop.
Oh, maybe
Oh, two drops. Well, let's see here. Oh, three.
slowly.
Yeah.
And now have rain already. We walk maybe 2 minutes only and have rain. Not have or not? See? And wait outside. Heather's there too.
Alright, well, we didn't get far. It's already raining.
Yeah.
There you saw another dog that went after and got off his leash and made it a little tighter. Heather, Harry.
Look at Heather.
Harry, what are you doing? You saw that dog. You wanted to go see him, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, well, maybe later. Alright, we're back in the car.
Yeah.
We walked about, what, like 5 minutes or so?
I'm not
And
sure,
it's,
5, maybe 3 years only.
It's raining now, so we think we're going to wait it out a little bit. Looks like the clouds are even starting to clear already, so maybe we'll...
Look at Heather. Look at Heather.
Harry?
Yeah. But fun.
Yeah, fun.
I still like this
Yeah,
area.
park looks pretty cool. We didn't get to see much of it, so we'll see more. Say hi, Harry.
Hi.
Okay, we're back out again. We waited in the car for a little bit and it stopped raining. And we're going to try to do a little hike, walk.
Let's go.
So here we go.
Let's go. Oh, I see rain here, you see? Wow.
That might be the rain that just passed over us.
Sal, you want to pee pee? You want to go pee pee? ไปเร็วๆ let's go let's go let's go I'm so tired already
Okay, we're into the trees now.
I'm tired already.
We just walked up a hill here.
Yeah.
We're both kind of winded, but gotta keep going.
Yep. Harry said, I'm still not so tired.
Yeah, Harry's not tired.
Yeah. I can go more. Okay. Harry, do it. You wait for me, Heather? Good girl.
A lot of green.
The dog not so tired, but I'm so tired more than Harry.
All right. Gonna walk on. Hopefully no more rain's coming.
What you try to do it?
Just walk down here.
I think South Semi have rain again soon. I think. I hope not. Oh, rain come already. Need to run.
All right, we're heading back. It's starting to rain again.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're finished hiking.
Yes.
We managed to stay dry.
We can do more, but I worry about maybe have more rain.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
kind of we'll have to come back to this park.
Mm-hmm.
So until next time.
And we come find a new area again
Yep.
for hiking. Okay. Say bye. Bye bye.